Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Organic Gardening. A quick look at the potatoes. They are doing great. They did get damaged by some hail and wind that we have. They all are just drooping all over the place. Need to move these out of the way. We've got some radishes, I believe, here, and some beets planted in the ground. They're doing fairly well considering the lack of sunshine that we've had here over the past month or so. Some carrots that are trying to come up. Let's zoom in on those real quick. I've also got here planted some, beets. I think we said that already. Some kale, some green onions. Over in the containers, we have some more kale, an oregano plant that my wife bought and asked me to plant because she didn't want to wait on the baby oregano to grow up from seed. There's some garlic in that container. Some asparagus over here. We're not going to harvest it this year because it's the first year that I planted it. More garlic, and next to the garlic we have some mounds for squash, and the seeds are planted here, but the ground has not yet been warm enough for them to germinate, so we are still patiently waiting on the squash to come up. I've got some basil that needs to be up planted here in the small containers, and in the ground here you'll see a lot of different varieties of tomatoes, some kale that managed to survive all of the bugs and caterpillars, and some tomatoes in 4-inch containers that I'm probably going to have to give away because we are just out of room here in the garden. But there are a lot of tomatoes planted directly in the ground, and this was filmed on April 10th. Today's actually the 21st. I need to get you guys an update because these tomatoes are doing awesome here now that they're planted in the ground. I also planted some other vegetables up front. Here you can see some collard greens in containers. These were planted very late, probably not going to do very well. We have some sage that finally germinated, and I got that up planted into a container, and some parsley as well. And in this small container, some more herbs. Gosh, these things take forever to get going. What do we have? I think, let's zoom back here. Oregano and rosemary. And they are a little bit bigger now here on the 21st, so they're about to be up planted. Got some broccoli, and also in the front I planted some sage to see if it would survive against the onslaught of caterpillars and bugs. It is actually doing better here in the front than in the back with the rest of the plants. And finally, we have a bunch more basil growing in containers in the backyard. I wish we had a lot more sunshine. These things would all be growing a lot faster, but it is what it is. In this coming week's update, I will show you how things have been progressing since April 10th and talk about some of the problems we've had here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.